There are days in Colorado when the sky feels endless and the only responsible thing to do is ride. So I aimed a Genuine Buddy 170 west toward Golden and let the climb up Lookout Mountain begin. We just finished this one with a new pipe and a fresh transmission kit, and you can feel it in every pull out of a corner. Smooth, confident, exactly where it wants to be. I've been coming up this mountain since I was a kid, but on two wheels it hits differently. The road just keeps folding into itself, curve after curve, the foothills opening wider every time you glance up. Golden drops away behind you, Denver stretches out in the distance. The air gets a little thinner, a little quieter. At the top, Buffalo Bill rests above it all, and the view reminds you of why people never stop moving here. If you've never made this ride, put it on your list. Out here ripping around on a little scooter. I mean, it's 170cc, so it's not good.
It never happened. He was the most beautiful boy I'd ever seen. Most beautiful boy I'd ever met. My favorite books, Around the Clock, Scars of My Knee. I see him behind my lids in a bright grey shirt. I see him tripping, running, falling, covered in dirt. I see a lot of these things lately, I know. I know none of it is real.